Did y'all hear about the method how you can use AI to increase your credit score over 200 points in a short period of time? Let's go to my office and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. And no, don't use any bootleg 609 template letters. We're going to use a different system that nobody else is talking about. It's called Metro 2 compliance disputing. We are literally going to use their systems against them. Everything on your credit reports is structured in Metro 2 compliance reporting because Metro 2 compliance reporting was created by the credit reporting agencies. But here's the secret sauce. We're not just going to use Metro 2 compliance disputing, we're also going to use consumer law and factual disputing. There's only one AI credit repair software out there that can do all of these. Shanika's credit score went up over 329 points after just 2 rounds. Miguel's credit score went up over 257 points after just 2 rounds also. Tanya's credit score went up over 376 points after just 2 rounds. And Sasha's credit score went up over 390 points after just 2 rounds. And Regina's credit score went up over 547 points after just 1 round. Look at this. TransUnion, 154 points. Experian, 209 points. Equifax, 184 points. And Vincent's credit score went up over 399 points after just 3 rounds. Check this out, 162 points with TransUnion, 115 points with Experian, and 122 points with Equifax. That's truly absolutely insane. And my favorite part, this AI credit repair system will create your custom letters and mail them for you too. Make sure to comment Beast to get started and fix your credit. And then if you decide you don't even have to mail the letters, you don't even have to print the letters, you can use our mailing partner inside of Beast and mail your letters on your own. And no, this software is not using ChatGPT, and it's not some white labeled bootleg Credit Versio either. Credit Versio is going to give you 3 basic template letters. It's going to choose some bootleg reason, and then it's going to create a template letter that's been given to thousands of people. And the wild thing is, Credit Versio took that bootleg software and then put some makeup on it and called it a bunch of other different names, and then gave it to a bunch of YouTubers and other creators across social media to sell you the same exact bootleg template letters. Oh, don't believe me? Let me show you real quick. So let's put it up on the screen also again right here so you can see there's Credit Rehab Pro that Nam Nguyen has, and then you have Shonda Martin who has Road to 750. They're both selling you some type of software, but hold on, is it the same thing? Now let's put up Credit Versio's login page and then Credit Rehab Pro's login page and Credit Academy with Shonda Martin's login page. Would you believe that? They're all exactly the same thing. They're all selling you the same exact software that Credit Versio has. Bootleg template letters. But the only difference here is each one of them are charging you more for the same exact product. Last part's the most important. Dispute Beast is truly light years ahead of the entire competition and honestly the entire industry. There is no other software that this came from. Dispute Beast is its own standalone system. So if the AI is not operating properly, I can see that. We can actually do things to actually improve it. All of these other creators that are selling you bootleg software that they don't even own, they can't see results. They can't see what's happening with their clients. They can't even make adjustments or suggestions because guess what? They don't own the software. Dispute Beast is going to scan your credit reports looking for any collections, charge-offs, late payments, medical collections, bankruptcies, student loans in default, child support, hard inquiries, any negative account that's hurting your credit. It's going to hunt it down and attack it. And it doesn't just create 3 basic template letters. It's also going to correct all of your personal information. So you're going to get a plethora of letters that are going to go to each credit reporting agency. And it doesn't just stop there. It's actually going to attack all of the secondary credit reporting agencies also. And I'm talking about LexisNexis, LCI, Innovis, ARS, Credco, Clarity, DataX, Microbill, and FactorTrust. And it's also going to attack the creditors directly if it needs to. There's no other software that does this. You have to understand that you are truly up against a machine at the credit reporting agencies. eOscar is being used at Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and it only communicates back and forth in Metro 2 compliance reporting. And that's why it's very important to dispute in that process. process, but then you add factual disputing and consumer law, and you attack them every single which way possible, literally giving you the ability to have infinite ways to attack it because the AI is constantly learning and constantly changing, truly allowing you to perform credit repair at the highest level possible, even higher than any of these bootleg credit repair companies out here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one on how to delete collection charge-offs or any negative item that's hurting your credit. Now make sure that you watch this next video because it is about a credit card that you may not know about if you have bad credit. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.